Hello and welcome to the Delaware Mortgage Rates Weekly Update for the week of February 6th. I'm John Thomas with Primary Residential Mortgage here to give you a report. Okay, last week we actually saw some very good news that helped the stock market rally. What we saw was the jobs report was released and it showed 243,000 jobs created, which was much better than expected. I think we were expecting about 170,000. And meanwhile, a whopping 257,000 private jobs were created, also much higher than expected. And they also revised November and December's jobs higher. The report was higher by another 60,000 jobs. And adding to the euphoria was a 0.2% decline in the unemployment rate. So the unemployment came out as 8.3%. That's the lowest since February 2009. Now, there was some bad news. If you read through between the headlines, despite all the good news, there was a sharp decline in labor participation rate. That means how many people are actually participating in the economy. It went from 64 to 63.7. And when you look at the U6 unemployment rate, which is actually a better indicator, that includes all the people that have stopped looking and have also taken part-time jobs but would like full-time employment. That number still remains at a lofty 15.1%, and it only dropped 0.1% for the month. So not as big of a decline overall when just looking at the 8.3% for unemployment rate. So what does this mean for housing and home loan rates? Well, typically that wasn't good news. We saw rates come off the highs. The bond market sold off. So when you get your mortgage rate quote this morning for Monday, you're going to see them higher than they were last week. But still, when I say higher, they're still unbelievably low, so it's still a great time to purchase or refinance a home. Delaware mortgage rates right now are ridiculously low. Now, what we have this coming week is initial jobless claim report will be coming out Thursday. And we also have the Treasury selling $72 billion in notes and bonds this week. So depending on how well that auction goes, that also could, if it's good, that could help home loan rates. If it doesn't come out so well, that could actually put some more pressure on the bond market going down. And if you look at the graph, we can see we had a nice run up, and now we're at the highs we've ever been. And you can see on Friday a sharp sell-off on Friday, and now the trend line has been broken up, and you can see we're now moving down. What that means is the bond prices start to go down, home loan rates start to go up. As I said, when rates come out this morning, you will see them higher than they were last week, and we'll also be able to see if that downward trend is going to continue or if we can hold the line and keep rates near historic lows. Other news that came out, President Obama made his State of the Union address, and he came out with a proposal for a new refinance program to help underwater borrowers. The one that's currently out, HARP, that is only for Fannie and Freddie backed loans. This new program will be for any loan, and it'll be able to roll into an FHA loan. Now, it's only a proposal, still has to be passed by both the Senate and the House of Representatives, and it's to help homeowners that are underwater or couldn't take advantage of the HARP program to refinance and take advantage. Problem is, it's going to cost money, so it has to come from somewhere. So we're not sure if Congress will even pass this idea. So right now, it's just a pie in the sky dream for a refinance program, but it is out there. So stay tuned for details. And also coming up in the Delaware news, we have the free first-time homebuyer seminar, which is February 18th. That's in Newark at the Christiana Hilton Hotel. You can call 302-703-0727 to register, or you can register online at DelawareHomebuyerSeminar.com. DelawareHomebuyerSeminar.com. Now, if you have any questions or you need help, want to get in refinance with these ridiculously low rates, or you want to get qualified for a mortgage, give us a call in the office, 302-703-0727, or you can apply online, PRMIDelaware.com, and click the tab for loan application, PRMIDelaware.com, loan application. Until next week, look forward to seeing you guys on the web. I'm John Thomas, Primary Residential Mortgage.